This is the unidentified trucker coming to you guys with another video. So right here that you see in this image, the hose that goes to the airbag supply was destroyed. So I had to think fast to keep the air from leaking, so you can call it my MacGyver strategy. Bend the hose and use a rubber band to keep the air from leaking. I got these materials at Advanced Auto Part. The yellow hose is pretty much a fuel line feeder, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, but it's on the receipt, which you'll see towards the end of the video. I would generally use a Gorilla Glue version, but this one here has 200 pounds of PSI more than the Gorilla Glue Plus. With this, you also have the option to form it before it completely hardens to the shape that you want. After cutting the hose down to size, I cut another section in half, glue it so it can connect better to the three-way air supply splitter. In this section, this is when I began to start mixing the material. The white clear hose is the hose that connects directly to the airbag underneath the seat. This is the part that broke as well, the three-way air supply splitter. I made a hose within a hose and then glued it in to fit to this connection better. So that's the finished result. Right now I'm just listening to make sure that there's no more air leaks. After the first application, I turned on the truck, I tested the seat, and after a short period some air was leaking. So I reapplied some more epoxy hardener, and that pretty much finished the job. So I'm just showing you guys right now in the video how it looks, the end result. It's not pretty looking. I had no intentions on making it looking pretty, but this is the end result and it's good to go. As you can see right now, the chair is down at its lowest form. As you can see now, the chair is raised. So, problem is resolved. Thanks for watching.